What's up, everyone? Got a little tabletop review for you today. The Ganzo G729. As you can see here on the blade, I custom acid etched it. It's supposed to be my take. I'm no artist, but it's my take on a morel mushroom. Got one on the other side as well. Just wanted to do a little video on this one real quick because I'm going to be selling it on, and I wanted to have a video record of it since I customized this knife myself. Put a little lanyard on it too. I have not used or carried this knife. This one has the Axis style lock. Works pretty well. This knife has a tight lockup and no play in it at all. This model has an overall length. You guys can see this tape very well, but overall length of about 8 inches. And a cutting edge of around 3 1/4 inches. And also for size comparison, I have my CRKT home front here. This knife is slick, flips really well. But there it is for size comparison. And maybe a knife you guys are more familiar with, Spyderco Paramilitary 2. Everybody that collects knives should own one of these. It's not quite in frame entirely there, but those knives are about the same size. All depends on which knife you have in front. Maybe if I do an over top view for you guys. But as you can see, it's about the same size as the Paramilitary. It's like a illusion. Whichever knife you have on the bottom looks a little bit bigger, but about the same length. Get this knife out of your way. Yeah, G10 handle scales. Reversible pocket clip for right or left hand carry. As you can see there's no tip up carry. Solid liners, no milling. Get a weight for you guys. This knife weighs approximately 129 grams. And that comes out to 4.6 ounces. So pretty decent weight for carrying there. But I don't mind a little bit heavier knife myself. Anything up to 5 ounces, I consider that to be pretty reasonable. But yes, this is a quick tabletop review. I'm not going to be doing any cut tests with this because I'm going to be passing it on, like I said, or selling it off just for more knives to add to my collection and do reviews on. So I wanted to give you guys a quick look at it and make a little quick video for my records as well. But these are really good knives for the money. I mean, there's really not much out there to compete with the price of a Ganzo. You can get one of these for, I believe, around 15 bucks right now. Of course, it's not going to have the acid etch blade, but yeah, really good knives for the money. Pick one up. I get mine from GearBest, Fast Tech, eBay, wherever I can find the best deal. If you order these from GearBest, there's a quick shot of the blade centering too. It's a little bit off on this knife, but not too bad. But if you get these knives off GearBest or another Chinese site, you will be waiting probably close to a month to get it, so that's something to keep in mind. Just a quick shot of the lanyard. Did a snake knot lanyard. This is when I was learning to tie them too, so it's not the best knot, but yeah, it's the Ganzo G729. Highly recommended. Good quality knives for the money. But thanks for watching, everybody. Really appreciate it. Comment, rate, subscribe. Catch you on the next video. Later.